What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Before we jump into the news, I want to just advise you and remind you again, Greggles TV on Instagram. I'm starting to post more stuff there, more videos and things like that. Basically long-term videos, long-form videos on there that you can watch, review videos and things like that. So you're going to get a mixture of it here on my channel and on Instagram as well. So if you miss, because I put out so much content, and I know people are on Instagram all freaking day, and they're on YouTube, but check it out. I'll link it down below, and I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers on there, and I'm going to produce more content for that as well. End up putting exclusive content on Instagram once I hit that mark as well. With that said though, guys, let's jump into the news, and it's all about the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, and the two features that are not there currently at the time of making this video, and I don't think they're going to be there by the time you get the watch either. And it's completely shocking, disappointing, ridiculous, and a joke. Why? Because Samsung has had months, if not years, to build up to this point and have these two features built into the watch. It's ridiculously, it's a joke. So let's talk about it. As you know, the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic have jumped over to the Wear OS side of software. So they're going to have Google's Wear OS software on there. They're leaving Tizen, and now they have Google on there. And you would think that when they put Google on there, they're going to basically have that whole Google experience. It doesn't look so much like that. There's two major apps missing from this, or features if you want to call them that, which you would have thought they were going to have, and they're killer features at that. So check this out. This information, an article is coming from 9to5 Google. They say Galaxy Watch 4 will get Google Assistant eventually, but only has Bixby now. Joke, right? And Google Pay is delayed. And when we dive deeper into the article, it says, speaking to 9to5 Google, Samsung pointed to the statement below saying that the Assistant is included in the company's efforts to work with Google to bring more services to the Watch 4. It's clear that the door is wide open for Assistant to arrive. Diving into the settings of the Galaxy Watch 4, there's an option to switch out your voice assistant, but Bixby is the only option. It's feasible that a future update could deliver Google Assistant, or it could even be distributed via the Play Store. And then they quote Samsung again. Samsung is working closely with Google to bring these popular Google services to Galaxy Watch 4 series. We will share more details once they are ready. And there's another piece of the article. It says, also of note, Google might be in a sticky situation with the Galaxy Watch 4. We noticed that while the Pay app will be installed on Galaxy Watch 4, it currently does not work and does get stuck during the setup. Taylor Kearns from Android Police found the same issue on his unit as well. So it doesn't mean that the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic won't have Google Assistant and Google Pay. It means right now they don't, and we don't have a definitive timeline of when and if they will. And this is the type of thing that you see quite a bit with Samsung. You get all these features, you get this amazing hardware, and you get amazing software, and things just seem to be either missing or pushed out too soon. You look at the under display camera, because you can kind of see it. I've done a video on it, which if you haven't seen, I've done a hands-on video of this phone. It's linked down below as well. Check it out. And you can't see this, you can't see you can see the camera, and that maybe the photo doesn't look as amazing as it does on the front one where it does show up on the screen. So it's like things like this, like just wait it out, fix things, get them ready, make them 100% or near 100%. Not like, these are two major features that should be on the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic right this moment. There should be nothing missing, especially those two apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Let me know in the comments down below if I am going crazy and you don't care and it doesn't matter if it doesn't have these two apps, Google Assistant and Google Pay, or is it like, whatever? You're right, Greg. What was going on here? Tell me your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.